Huh? Where am I? Hmm? I don't know where I am. I better phone Buzz about how far down they are now. I better get my phone or the telly to show me how deep he is. Okay, Buzz Lightyear, how deep down are you now? Okay, now listen. The hole I made is now is a lot deeper than Mariana Trench. It's actually 3 times deeper. Whoa. Now, 33 kilometers down. Um, yeah. So, 33 kilometers since those other days. And, still trying to get deeper. I'm still having to help with, your henchmen. But, anyways, where are you now? Oh, sorry to break it to you, mate, but um, I'll show you what those guys down there are doing. Well, here's some of my grown-up gang. But when you get to the core, it would be a little bit strange of the matter of the pressure. But what about me? What about I show you of the strange thing of the core?
Before we start, I want you to watch and hear this question carefully. The outer core is in liquid state while the inner core is in solid state. Why? I mean, the inner core is hotter than the outer core, but the inner core is solid and the outer core is a liquid. Why? Why is it like that? Well, this question is part of geophysics. A geophysicist is someone who studies the earth using gravity, magnetic, electrical, and seismic methods. So, going back to the question, we know that Earth's inner core and outer core are both made up of iron nickel alloy, and that's why the core is also called as the knife layer, where the Ni stands for nickel and Fe stands for iron. And we also know that matter can exist in one of three main states, that is solid, liquid, or gas. And for that, we need the right temperature and pressure conditions. Now, if I have to give you an example, solid can be transformed into a gas by the process of sublimation, for example, burning of camphor. Similarly, gas can be converted into solid. A good example for this can be a fire extinguisher, which has been filled with gaseous carbon dioxide, but inside the canister, the high pressure causes this to turn into solid carbon dioxide, which later is released as a white powder when putting out a fire. In both the examples, temperature and pressure played an important role. Therefore, with the right temperature and pressure conditions, a matter can exist in solid, liquid, or gas state. Now, most materials, including iron and nickel, change from liquid to solid at lower temperatures or high pressures. It's easy to understand going from a solid to a liquid at higher temperatures because we are all familiar with ice melting on a warm day. But why do materials change from liquid to solid at higher pressure? For almost all materials, except water, atoms are packed close together in the solid state than in the liquid state. So when you squeeze the atoms together with high pressure, the material changes from liquid to solid. Now when you understand this, now think about this. As you go deeper in the earth, both temperature and pressure increases. Although the inner core is very hot, it is solid because it is experiencing very high pressure. The pressure is so great that the metals are squeezed together to not be a liquid. The pressure in the outer core is not high enough to make it solid. And this is why the outer core is in liquid state while the inner core is in solid state, despite of the fact that the inner core is hotter than the outer core.
So I take it that's the mystery, that the outer core is in liquid state while the inner core is in solid state, just despite the fact that the inner core is hotter than the outer core. That's right, because the pressure is so great to not be a liquid. The pressure in the outer core is not high enough to make it solid. And also, the third to last boss is coming in. Hey, I am Falcon, the scariest of all sprints. Heck, what's this? Your face? It would even scare a ghost. Oh, how horrible! You've got it backwards. I do the scaring around here. Alright, now I'll put some real fear in that frightening face of yours. Ah, the scariest one wins, and your face is flesh creepy frightening. Good thing I don't have any flesh. This is not the end. See you again. Here we go! There's two more bosses. One of them's the Mr. Tom Baddy and the other one's mine. Yep, your choice. I mean, no, it's not a choice. You have to do it. Yep, that's right, Donkey Kong. But Mario, go back a little bit. I think a tornado's coming. Or is that a tornado? Is it thunder and lightning, or is it a hurricane?
No, that's not my name. My name is not. You're mistaken. I'm not. What? More cheese? World peace? You lost your keys? Your dog has fleas? Corned beef? You're allergic to bees? I really can't hear what you're saying. Stop yelling at me. I think we get the point. So now that you've seen a tornado, I think it's about time that we learn about it.
Ay, Nana, ¿y conociste a Mr. Cheese? Bueno, Maya, sí.
What is it now, Pilgrim? Your conscience? And his name is John C. And his name is John C.
But that one isn't the only one for today. Second to last one today. Yep. I have my sights set on William. You're hardly even worth it, or worth the energy it would take to trample you. But I do so love to stomp on those who have spent all entry stomping my clan. And since you've come it always the all this way, bring it on. I can't believe you just beat me like that. Not too shabby. Well, I figured you were a fighter with that mean mustache. I'll battle you again when I have free time. You should thank your lucky stars that I've got such a packet shuttle. Okay, no one should take my key away to save William from Hitler. Here we go! Two bosses in one day. Yeah, that's fine. I can't believe you or your minions Mario could do so well in saving the world. Only one more. Quite interesting stuff. But but the last boss is getting to the core of the planet. We can see the heat, feared, but we still don't know why the core is so hot. What creates all that heat? The answer lies back in time, long before the Earth was born.